Real progress doesn't always happen fast, but it lasts. Like turtles that move steadily toward their destination, rebuilding credit takes patience and discipline. Consistent payments, lower balances, and responsible habits gradually restore financial strength. This principle proves that slow, steady action creates long-term stability. Start today by making one on-time payment or reducing one balance. Small, consistent steps rebuild credit over time. Welcome to Mortgage Jungle, where animal behavior teaches smarter money habits.